So we'll start with the feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Imagine that string pulling you up towards the sky, placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. Now take the legs nice and wide, toes facing forwards. Bring the right arm up, inhale, exhale over to the left. Come back to center, inhale, exhale a little bit further if it feels okay. Back to center, inhale, exhale over. And swap to the other side. Inhale, exhale to the right. Come back to center. Again, inhale and exhale and center. One more inhale and exhale. Coming back to center. Bring the arms shoulder height. I'm going to twist, but try and keep the hips still. So twist from side to side. So inhale and exhale, twist. Inhale to center, exhale, twist. So one more each side. Exhale, twist, inhale back, and exhale. Inhale, center. So now twist with the hips. So just from side to side, whatever feels good. So breathe when it feels normal. Let's do a few of these. And then bring the arms down, gentle swing. And then coming back up. So we're going to roll the shoulders back. So having the feet hip width apart. Just do a few shoulder rolls. And then roll the shoulders forwards. Alright, so we're going to work on eagle pose. So stand on the right leg and stand on the left, take the right leg over the left. So we're just going to check with the balance first. So don't worry about the arms, we're just keeping the hands to the chest. If the balance is a struggle, bring the toes to the ground. I'm going to do the other side. So standing on the right, bring the left one across. So we're trying to tuck the toes around the back of the calf if we can. So you can always keep the arms out if the balance is challenging, or like I said, toes to the ground. So just see where you are here. And then we'll come back up. So we'll work on the arms. We'll take the left arm across, right one on top. So hucking the elbows in towards each other. And then bring the forearms up, palms together if you can, or wherever you get to. So this is a good stretch for across the top of the back and the shoulders. So if you want to take it further, lift the elbows. Remember, nothing should hurt. So bring the arms down and do the other side. So right arm across the body, left one on top. So just come into wherever you can. So remember, you can lift the elbows for a deeper stretch. And then come down. So we're going to try and add the two together. But if this doesn't work for you, then just do one or the other, either the legs or the arms. If you're trying both, we're going to stand on the right, take the left leg across. Then left arm first, right on top. Try and squeeze the legs together. And then we're coming down. onto the other side. So bring that right leg over the left, tucking the toes round if you can, and right arm first. You're just working on your eagle pose. That can be arms or legs or both. And then coming down. Alright, standing pose, we're doing warrior 2. So we'll turn that right foot 90 degrees, back foot angled slightly with the heel down. The front knee is bent. Try and keep the body facing forward, shoulders above the hips. And we turn to look along the front arm, that right arm. So we'll come down, we'll do 2 each side. So on to the left. Left foot 90, right foot slightly angled. And make sure that left knee does not drop inwards, stays in line with the toes. Arms shoulder level, and just turn the head gently to look over that left arm. And bring the arms down. So if you can, just turn the feet around. So that right foot 90 degrees, back foot angled. Try and keep the chest open, facing forwards. Lengthen across the arms. Keep the arms active, but keep the shoulders down, don't lift the shoulders. And bring the arms down, turn the feet around for one more. And that left foot 90 degrees. Arms shoulder level. Gently turning the head. And bring the arms down. And bring the feet back to hip width. Ready for the good posture and the breathing. Your shoulders back and down. Crown to the sky. Chin parallel to the ground. Placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. Aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. And we'll bring the arms down and we're all done.